Begging, dozing, playing, or just roaming around, stray dogs are part of Istanbul's cityscape. Their numbers are estimated at 500,000 and growing. Many Turks find them annoying, but now and then the dogs meet a friendly face, like Gökhan Eker's. He's a dog trainer and always stops his car to pet a pooch at the roadside.
I think that black female has had bad experiences with people, but this male is trusting. He probably had a family and was abandoned.
Eker has a vision for dogs and humans. Today he is looking for a special kind of street dog with intelligence, good character, and instincts.
I'm looking for dogs I can train. First, we have to help them get over their street trauma. Then they can get used to people, and if possible, learn to be sniffer dogs.
Tracking and rescue dogs are especially needed after the earthquakes, which repeatedly strike Turkey. February's catastrophic quake took the lives of at least 50,000 people in the southeast. Search dogs helped rescue dozens, but there weren't enough. Most of the dogs came from abroad. Gökhan Eker arrives at an animal shelter looking for suitable candidates for his project. For many years, he worked for a police canine drug unit. He knows what to look for in a dog.
This one is very sociable and isn't afraid of people. First, I check to see if it's healthy. Then I watch how it gets along with other dogs, and finally with people.
Eker himself was a rescuer in the earthquake zone, but without dogs, because his were not yet trained for rescue work. Now he wants to change that quickly, so he will be prepared for the next disaster.
Well-trained dogs are unbeatable for finding buried victims. They should always come before technical means. Their agility and nose make them fast and efficient. That's why we need many more such tracking dogs.
Eker has started an appeal, and numerous dog owners have answered. It is training day for the sniffer dogs at his grounds outside Istanbul. Bahar Şenbahar has come with her mongrel, Mabel, a former street dog.
I felt so depressed and helpless after the earthquake that I wanted to contribute. That way, we would be better prepared next time. That's why I'm here.
Then dog and owner have to show what they have learned. One more sniff, then it's off to search for a missing person in the woods. Mabel finds the scent quickly and stays sitting next to the person, like in the textbook. And Mabel is not the only one to prove her suitability as a search dog today.
We want more respect for dogs on the street. Every nuisance street dog that is poisoned or otherwise killed could have saved human lives.
An international judge has traveled for the next day's test. She's enthusiastic about Eker's plan to train rescued street dogs to rescue people.
These dogs deserve a better life. And not just a better life, but one with purpose. That's wonderful.
It's time. Bahar Şenbahar and Mabel are first up. A quick sniff of the missing person's scent, then dog and owner have 20 minutes. This time they're too slow, but it isn't the dog's fault.
I was nervous and led her the wrong way. It's the first time we've both been tested in such a situation. But we still want to tackle the building debris search test. I hope we can make it.
It takes patience and hard training to turn Mabel the street dog into a lifesaver. But Gökhan Eke is holding fast to his plan to train enough rescue dogs throughout Turkey for the hour of need. There certainly are more than enough dogs to choose from.